Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's been a while since the last film went up. I think 8 or 9 days, something like that. Anyway, the weather here has been absolutely appalling. I really haven't been out riding all that much. On the occasions when I have, it was really a bit too horrible to even be getting the cameras out. So that explains my absence. And for anybody who was wondering, yes, I am still alive. Well, what I'm doing here is I'm putting together some bits of footage from last week's riding. Regular viewers will remember the series of films when I was heading off to Ambleside. Well, this is a beautiful little place that I stopped off at on the way. It's called Yewdale. And while I was flying the drone, I noticed this particular little feature which I'd never seen before, just along the road here. Yes, turns out it's a disused lime kiln. Yes, disused lime kiln. Who knew? Not me. There we go. I might go and have an explore down there on foot one day. So, as I said, this is Yewdale, a particularly beautiful place in the South Lakes. Not far from Coniston water, which we'll be seeing in just a moment. But what really grabbed my attention here was the spectacular appearance of the waterfall. And whilst it's ordinarily a fairly impressive waterfall, because of the huge amount of rain we've had here over the last few weeks, it really was in full spate. And I thought it would be worth getting the drone up and giving you a closer look. And as we swing round to the south, we catch a glimpse of Coniston water and the lovely open valley that is Yewdale. Okay, that's about it for today. I'm now going to get togged up and ride my motorcycle to work. There will be more footage to come over the next couple of days. Thank you all for watching. A very warm welcome to my new subscribers. Bit of a surge lately. I'm almost on 300 now. Fantastic. See you all in the next one.